world. Play-Doh. And we're going to make a rainbow snowman. It's gonna be epic with all the colors. Now let's do it like this. And then let's do this. First we have to put this upside down, which is the first part. Then flat every single color. Oh my gosh. I don't have any fans or subscribers yet. Now we did red, and then we have to squish it, and then put on the table right there. This might take a while, so we need a fast motion. Okay, this is taking forever. I'm sorry. Okay, come on. Okay. This might take a while. The next one is purple. Finally, we're doing the third color, just purple. I'm doing this. Oh my gosh. Come on. Now, I'm going to do two at the same time. Blue and yellow. Now guys, again, listen to one of the rules still works. You can do it like a layer, or you can do it on this. You need this to do it. Ugh. Pink left, and you also need to put your cups there and put your caps right over here. do, and now we are going to just do this until we need to pause this so you can. Okay, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we only need this. Only 2 ones left. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch the tiger by the toe. If he orders, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Mother told me to pick the very best one. Just now. Now, white is last. White is last because no one likes white. No one likes plain white. Duh. No one likes. It's all easy. It's all easy. It's easy. Oh my gosh. Now, we only need white. Now, we're almost there. We need to do this even faster. There we go. And now, let's do this. We have to take a little bit of red, and then do a little this, then boop, and then a boop, and a boop, and then a boop. And then a boop, then a boop, then a boop, then a boop, and a boop. I don't know which one it is. Then we make it into a ball. And now we need to do the same thing all the time until the head is finished, the body, and then we have to do the red eyes, blue arms, and his beak. And his nose. Okay, now let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh man, missing. Okay, let's just do this. And then, now it's all up to the head. We have to do this 3 times. And then you want to dry it out. This one's not fully dried. Okay. Okay. Now the head is almost finished. Okay. And now you do the head. Then we have a little of this. Then we have a little. Here's his eye. Here his eyes. Here is his nose. We know it's because it's a carrot. It's supposed to be a carrot. And now for the secret one, the stick arms that are blue. how to do it. Let's go show both of them I made. This one's taller and this one's short. Maybe this is a flower and that's a baby. Then we have to set them here to make them dry, and then it will be finished, and it will take a while. And next step, we have to find where is the white cats and where is the right one. See, I found yellow. I should put this in here. I find the yellow top and then close it. And yeah, this one can already found white. And then find the cat. And hey, okay. And we need to get a pink. If we found pink, we are going to put it. See, I already found pink. And now orange. Find these two tops. Here's the one that closed so far. Red. This. That's purple. That's blue. That's red. So we have to do this until all of them are gone. Green. Blue. And purple. And now we have to take the tops. You can do it like this, or you can do it like, we can do it like short time. And there you go. Fully upgraded this. Now we have to put this right here and keep it waiting for the night, under the night, and then it will be ready. We'll not do that now. We'll take a long video. And now, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Thumbs up the video and subscribe. And I want to beat Ethan Game with TV's score. He has 1,005 subscribers. I want to get 1,055. 1,055,055. Bye everyone. Peace out. Blah, 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 blah.